Okay, welcome to Ms. Lopez 2020-2021 open house. Welcome, boys and girls. This is my wild bunch. We are unique, creative, and enthusiastic. Our schedule is as follows, continues the in-person and virtual groups. This is our virtual learning expectations as explained by my students.
A digital citizen is someone who's safe and responsible on the internet, and they're responsible and safe anywhere they go.
Hi, my name is Anthony Arjona, and a digital citizenship is someone that is being kind and respectful on the internet.
A digital citizenship is someone being good on the internet. For example, if someone is talking to you on the phone and you know who it is, then talk to them. If you don't know who it is, don't talk to them at all. A digital citizen is where you respect others, be kind to others, and help one another.
Hi, my name
is Amy Reyes, and as digital citizen, thinks first. And my digital citizen is going on the computer when I'm allowed to and not going on sites that I don't know.
Distance learning has been an adventure where we continue to learn, grow, and have fun. These are the digital platforms we have used this school year. Language arts, we have covered a variety of the standards. Fourth grade really focuses on details and examples supporting your answers with details and evidence from the text. We really focused on that. We read a variety of genres, as well as our writing, where we are linking our opinion and reasons with words such as phrases, for instance, in order, in addition, and working on producing clear and coherent writing that includes multi-paragraphs. Look at these scholars working hard. Here are some writing samples of some of the students. In math, we have really focused on not just knowing how to answer the problem, but finding more than one way to find a solution. Really, I want to see the thinking, the process of understanding math concepts, not just the answer. Kids did a wonderful job of doing that, explaining to me with their notes, with their annotations, what their thinking looked like. In IXL, we focused a lot on those skills. We spent 159 hours this school year. They've mastered 325 skills, and they have built proficiency in 352. PE and art was another focus this year as well. The kids enjoyed doing their art with me. Fourth graders in action. These Sunny Brae scholars have pride in their work. Look at their work. Good job, my boys and girls. It's been honestly an exciting year. Working together as a team, todos somos un equipo. We've really focused on being connected, even from home. Okay, in social studies, We identified the California, the state capital, the different parts of it, the flag, also the immigration and migration to California from 1850 to 1900s. We also focused on the Chinese Exclusion Act. We used Nearpod to explain our thinking, social studies. Ms. Carmona also did some projects with the students on California. Students really enjoyed researching in California. In science, the students made observations and provided evidence about energy. They had the rock formation with our earth science and made observations, provided the effects of weathering and the rate of erosion by water, ice, wind, and vegetation on landscape. Keep trying, keep achieving, never quit. Next steps, please take a look at the 5th grade open house presentation to see what to expect next year. Thank you for the wonderful school year, boys and girls. It has been a pleasure having you in my class and having all the wonderful parents supportive. I am really going to miss all of you, and don't be shy to come by and say hello.